Okay, here I have a wave. Okay, and here I have another wave. Okay, so if these waves meet, if they meet where a crest and a crest overlap, then we call that constructive interference. Okay, and we say that they are in phase. Okay, because they basically fully overlap. If we then move one of the waves so that we've got a trough and a crest arriving at the same time, then we have got something called out of phase. Okay, and they basically cancel each other out. But if we carry on moving it, we see that it overlaps again. And when it overlaps again, it's again in phase. But it's moved on. It's not the same part of the wave, but they're still overlapping. A crest is still meeting a crest. A trough is still meeting a trough. So they are now in phase again. And if we move it along again, we've got a crest meeting a trough. And we've got these two cancelling out. So we call that destructive interference. And again, we can move it along. And we've got in phase again where they overlap. So when the waves overlap fully, we call that in phase. And when they are complete opposites, we call that out of phase. This is in phase. We can say that they're exactly the same. Then it's moved half a wavelength along and it's out of phase. Moved one full wavelength along and it's back in phase. Moved another half a wavelength, out of phase. Another full wavelength, in phase.